Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. And if you want to buy this Optoma UHZ55 4K UHD laser smart home projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. Now let's talk about it. So this is the Optoma UHZ55, a 4K UHD smart laser projector that's gunning for a top spot in the home theater space. And right off the bat, the design is clean. Sleek matte black finish, soft rounded corners, minimal branding. It looks like it means business. It's the kind of projector that doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely looks premium sitting on your console or mounted on your ceiling. Under the hood, we're working with a laser light source that delivers up to 3,000 lumens of brightness. Now that's bright enough for most home lighting conditions, and even during daylight hours, the image is more than just watchable. It's sharp, it's vibrant, and the laser light engine helps keep those colors consistent over time. And of course, 4K UHD resolution. Not fake 4K. We're talking true 3840 by 2160, pixel-shifted DLP tech that gives you 4 times the detail of 1080p. So whether you're watching a high-action Marvel flick or just catching up on your favorite Netflix show, the clarity is next level. There's HDR 10 and HLG support baked in too, which adds that extra layer of contrast and depth. Now let's get into the color. Optoma claims a 1:200:0:0:1 contrast ratio, and while contrast numbers can be kind of marketing heavy, what really matters is the real-world performance, and this projector delivers. Deep blacks? Bright highlights? No problem. It's not OLED deep, of course, but for a projector, especially at this price point, it punches hard. Gaming? It's here for it. The UHZ55 supports 4K at 60 Hz, but if you drop the resolution, you can get up to 240 Hz at 1080p with low input lag. That makes it a solid option for console or even PC gaming on a massive screen. Combine that with its onboard enhanced gaming mode, and it becomes more than just a movie machine. It's a legit gaming beast too. Now about smart features. Yep, they're here. It runs on Optoma's smart platform with support for streaming apps, screen mirroring, and even voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. It's not quite Google TV or Apple TV level refined, but it does the basics well. Plus, you've got HDMI eARC, USB media playback, and even 24/7 operation support, which means you can literally use it like a display for art or digital signage if you want. And if you're wondering about throw distance, this isn't ultra-short throw, but it's pretty flexible. You've got 1.3x zoom, vertical lens shift, and keystone correction, which makes placement a lot less stressful. Mount it on the ceiling, set it up on a shelf, or just go old-school coffee table. It'll still project up to a 300-inch screen without much hassle. Sound-wise, it comes with built-in speakers. And yeah, they're usable 10W stereo that's clear enough for casual viewing. But let's be honest, if you're investing in a projector like this, pair it with a soundbar or a proper surround sound setup to do the visuals justice. This projector deserves that. Now let's talk price to performance. The UHZ55 isn't trying to be the cheapest 4K projector on the market. But considering it brings a long-lasting laser light engine, true 4K, gaming-ready refresh rates, HDR, and smart features, it's positioned very well for people who want a future-proof, versatile home theater centerpiece. It's also whisper quiet, thanks to the efficient cooling design, and the laser engine is rated for 30,000 hours of use, so no bulb replacements, no dimming issues, just consistent performance for years. Overall, the Optoma UHZ55 hits that sweet spot. It's powerful, it's smart, it's bright, and it's sharp. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or someone just looking to upgrade their living room entertainment, this projector checks a lot of boxes. That's it for this one. If you're thinking about picking up the Optoma UHZ55, you know what to do. Hit that link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one.